Hello guys, welcome back once again to another episode of Learn Data Analytics with Blessing. And in today's video, we'll be looking at the select distinct statement. And what is this statement used for? It is used to return only distinct. By distinct, I mean different values from a particular field. So let's say, for example, looking at this others table, I only want to see the list of product that we have. Don't forget that we have duplicate in this field for product. You can see we have laptop here, we also have laptop as well here, and we have laptop here. So this will not allow us to know the number of products that we have, excluding their duplicate. To get the list of products that we have, not showing their duplicate, you have to use the statement select distinct. So come here and would say select distinct what? Distinct product from where? From the others table. Then I would end my query and run this. And this just gave us, you can see out of 20 rows, we had just 10. So we have 10 products in total. If I had not included this distinct here, it will return the list of all the products. You would have duplicate in it. Let's run this. And you can see we have 20 rows. But adding the distinct to the select statement allowed us to get the list of products without their duplicates. So let's run this. We got the same result. So this is how you use the select distinct statement to draw out distinct values from a particular field in your table. We'll meet again in our next video, but as usual, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. If you're just visiting my channel for the very first time, my name is Blessing, and I'm that data analyst passionate about growth. Bye.